I think the main topic here is about fairness.
Yeah.
And we have to state again, over and over again, fairness has to be brought to the table. Ideally, if we need leadership, it should be about competence, the most competent hand. But as we speak today in Nigeria, everybody has touted, oh, it should go to one region, it should go to one region, it should go to one region. So it is time that people also look at the possibility of the Igbos having their own fair share. I asked a question earlier on Oji. I said, how long will the Igbos keep aligning with other people? The same alignment they did in 79. Oh, vice presidential candidate Alex Ekweme emerged. Is that how long? Since we've returned to democracy, since 1999? Other parts have had their own parts of the cherry. What does fairness say? The people that have not had should be able to have.
Yes.
And this fairness too is across all the regions that have not had a stab at the presidency. It is when you are fair across board, then we can now come back and resettle and talk about competence. I think that's the biggest loss that's going on. But when somebody says, oh, I want to be a stepping stone, the question should be asked, has your region ever had this at any point in time? If they have, or has your group, tribal group, ever had this at any point? If they have, can others too have? I'm not saying any man doesn't have a right to his ambition, but also we should be fair, because it is fairness that can heal this country. This country is suffering from a lot of injustice today. It should be fairness for the people of the Southeast, for the people of other regions. And that's why I said, even if it's not been completed, yesterday I tweeted something, I said, kudos to President Buhari. At least we have some movement as regards second Niger Bridge. But please, they should complete it. And they shouldn't stop there. There's a lot of economic activities going on in Aba. Imagine a train track in Aba to bring out all the goods produced in Aba to parts of the Southwest. Then we can build this country. This country is great. It is the best kept secret in the world. Let's be fair to one another.